Imagine traveling from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes, or from Paris to Amsterdam in under an hour. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the future of transportation, and it's called Hyperloop. What is Hyperloop, you ask? It's a revolutionary new form of high-speed ground transport that was proposed by Elon Musk back in 2013. Think of it as a pod, or a capsule, zipping through a low-pressure tube at speeds that could rival an airplane. The system uses magnetic levitation and propulsion to eliminate friction, allowing for incredible speeds with minimal energy consumption. For decades, we've relied on planes, trains, and automobiles. But what if there was a fourth mode, a system that's faster, greener, and more efficient than anything we've seen before? Well, that future is closer than you think. And today, we're going to explore how this incredible technology is taking shape all around the world. So buckle up, because we're about to take a ride into the future of travel. Across the globe, the race to build the first commercial Hyperloop is heating up, and Europe is at the very heart of this revolution. Let's head over to the Netherlands, specifically to Groningen, home of the European Hyperloop Center, or EHC. This isn't just another research lab. It's a massive open innovation and testing facility, a playground for the brightest minds in transportation engineering. Recently, they hit a major milestone by completing the installation of the main tube for their test track. This Y-shaped tube is crucial because it allows for testing lane-switching technology at high speeds, which is a vital component for creating a functional Hyperloop network. The EHC is designed to be a collaborative space, bringing together companies, universities, and governments to accelerate development. It's a clear signal that Europe is not just dreaming about Hyperloop. They're actively building the infrastructure to make it a reality. This center will be instrumental in setting the standards, improving the safety and viability of Hyperloop for the entire continent. Now let's journey east to India, a country where the need for fast, efficient transport is more critical than ever. Here, an ambitious and inspiring project is taking flight at the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. It's called Avishkar Hyperloop, and it's a testament to the power of student-led innovation. This team is not just participating in competitions. They're building the world's largest student-run Hyperloop testing facility. Imagine that. A group of dedicated students constructing a full-scale test track right on their campus. This project is a big deal because it's not only about the technology itself, but also about fostering the next generation of engineers and innovators who will lead India into the future of mobility. Their work is a source of national pride and has garnered significant support from both the government and private industry. The Avishkar team is proving that with passion and ingenuity, you don't need to be a massive corporation to make a giant leap forward in technology. They are truly shaping the future, one vacuum tube at a time. Next, we'll cross the Pacific and land in the United States, where the spirit of innovation is alive and well in the mountains of Colorado. A key player here is Swisspod, a company that's making significant strides in bringing Hyperloop to life. They recently unveiled a full-scale prototype pod and announced a major expansion of their research and development operations. But the most exciting news is their plan to build a brand new full-scale testing facility. This facility will serve as a crucial R&D hub, allowing them to test and refine every aspect of their technology, from the pods themselves to the complex systems that will run the network. This move highlights Colorado's growing reputation as a center for transportation innovation. With companies like Swisspod setting up shop, the U.S. is positioning itself as a serious contender in the global Hyperloop race. It is a powerful statement that the American dream of pioneering new frontiers is still very much alive, and the next frontier might just be inside a vacuum tube. So, what does all this mean for us? From the Netherlands to India to the United States, the progress we're seeing is nothing short of breathtaking. What was once a concept on a whiteboard is now being built with steel, concrete, and incredible ingenuity. This isn't just about a few isolated projects. It's a global movement. We're witnessing growing support from governments and regulatory bodies. The European Union, for example, has officially recognized Hyperloop as a legitimate mode of transport in its sustainable mobility strategy. This kind of official recognition is a game changer, paving the way for funding, regulation, and large-scale implementation. The pieces of the puzzle are coming together faster than ever before. We are standing on the cusp of a new era in transportation, one that promises to connect our world in ways we've only dreamed of, making it faster, greener, and more accessible for everyone. Years ago, there were many skeptics who said that this would never work. Well, it looks like the future is arriving at hyperspeed,